Hi, I'm John Sanderson. This is CFS Quick Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to make an omelet. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to hold the knife so you don't cut yourself. So first thing is you have your index finger against the blade, your thumb here, so it's nice and steady. You have your fingers curled, so that's going to be your guide for your knife. So when you cut, you won't cut yourself. And you don't want to be chopping, you want to just nice smooth strokes. So if we use the mushroom nice and smooth, and then cut through. No. And then we'll go to the green onion. So as you would have that as your guide, so you're not cutting yourself, and you're holding the food, you're slowly walking back, and you're pushing forward and back, pushing forward, and then you're just moving a little faster as you're cutting. And now I'll go on to the green pepper. I just make a slice down the middle, then I open it up, and then you take out all the seeds and everything. So for the green pepper, I'll just slice through in a julienne cut so they're nice and straight. So for the onion, I'll just make a slice, 2 slices, because I like my onions kind of thick, and then I'll cut it along. Now for the bologna, nice and easy, I'll just cut it along, make little cuts, and I'll turn it, and I'll cut, and there we go. Now what I'll do is I'll put a little bit in of each ingredient, and a little bit of cheese. I'll put more in after, so we'll use 2 eggs. I will use 3 eggs. No, 2 is good. Little bowl. And we'll mix it. You beat the eggs just till they're unconscious, and then keep going. So we're incorporating air into the eggs, so it'll be a little fluffier. Put a little oil. Make sure your pan is nice and hot. Well, then you just pour your omelette in. Just going until it starts to harden. You'll notice it drying out on the top, and then it'll be time to flip it. You just let it cook slowly. You give it a shake every now and then, see how it's wiggling. And we'll wait. Well, the best time to have it is for breakfast, but you can have it for lunch, dinner. Like an omelet is good anytime. You can put anything in it. You can switch up the ingredients. You can use ham. You can use basically anything you want in it. Although bananas kind of suck. Goes really well with toast. You can cut up some potatoes, make yourself some homemade hash browns. Almost time to flip it. No, it's a little early, but I'm going to just try to flip it now. So you just make a little space, take it underneath, move it to the side, and then flip it. So then I grab a little bit of cheese just to have it in the middle when I fold it over. Give it a minute or 2, and then you can start folding it up. It should be done. We're just making sure it's done in the middle and it's not runny. So now I'm just going to plate it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it just a little bit there. Then I'm going to bring it over to the plate and then finish folding it over. And there is your omelette. We'll just put a little cheese on the top, make it nice. And here's your omelette.